Okay, so I'm gonna mark this. So B for black, R for red. Always make little notes, make your life easier. Unplugged, same thing. So they're both unplugged. So I just finished soldering the new piece. This is what it looks like. You know, not a plumber, but I did an okay job soldering this. That's it. You solder a new piece, and then you connect the wires. I drilled a hole in the back of the control panel, and then connected it to the existing wires. And this is where it connected as well. And I did a little cleaning up, made everything nice and neat. All the wires are nice and neat. Turned it on, everything's working. I'm getting hot water. My hot water is working great right now. Hopefully it stays this way for many years to come.